Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to resize image in Canva without cropping. And this is quite simple. First of all, what you need to know is when you have a picture, for example this picture, and you drag it just like this and we place it, here's resizing this image immediately. But what if we now delete this and throw this picture just right here and we want to resize it as background? Then we click here with our right mouse click and then we click on set image as background. And then right now you see it just like this. Then right now if we click on it again and we do detach image from background, you will see it just like this. Now definitely if you want to do it with cropping, you can do it just like this, or you can make it bigger and then place it exactly like this in your screen. So this is exactly how you resize image in Canva without cropping. Hopefully this video helped you out, and then from now, thanks for watching.